Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to compare two powerful graphics cards, ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC and ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button, comment on which one is your favorite, and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get into the comparison. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC comes at a very affordable price of $268, while the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti is significantly more expensive at $849. Both graphics cards offer impressive performance features. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC has NVIDIA Ampere architecture, 2nd-gen ray tracing cores, and 3rd-gen tensor cores. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti has powered by NVIDIA DLSS 3, ultra-efficient Ada Lovelace Arch, and full ray tracing. It also has 4th-generation tensor cores, offering up to 4x performance with DLSS 3 versus brute force rendering, and 3rd-generation RT cores, which offer up to 2x ray tracing performance. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC has 8GB 128-bit GDDR, 6 14GB per second, PCIe 4.0, while the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti doesn't specify the memory size, type, or speed. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC has Ice Storm 2.0 advanced cooling, freeze fan stop, active fan control, and metal backplate. It comes with a caution to avoid using unofficial software. The ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti has Axial-tech fans scaled up for 21% more airflow, dual ball fan bearings last up to twice as long as conventional designs, military-grade capacitors rated for 20K hours at 105C to make the GPU power rail more durable, and a metal exoskeleton that adds structural rigidity and vents to increase heat reliability. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC is 8K ready, 4 display ready, HDCP 2.3 and has 3x DisplayPort 1.4a, 1x HDMI 2.1 DirectX 12 Ultimate, Vulkan RT API, OpenGL 4.6. The ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti doesn't mention any additional features specifically, but does state that it uses Auto Extreme Precision automated manufacturing for higher reliability. And that's a wrap. Both graphics cards have their advantages and disadvantages. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC is an excellent budget option with impressive performance and cooling features. The ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti, on the other hand, is significantly more expensive but offers top-quality performance with advanced cooling and durability features. Which one do you think is the best fit for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech comparisons.